Good morning, dear students. Last class we are discussed about how to find mean, median and mode of the data. In this class also same type of problems. Exercise 14.3, sixth one problem. 100 surnames were randomly picked up from a local telephone directory, and the frequency distribution of the number of letters in the English alphabets in the surnames was obtained as follows. Number of surnames, number of letters and number of surnames is given. See, number of letters 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19. This is the class interval. Corresponding frequency, number of surnames 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4 is the frequency. Now find mean, median and mode of the given data. First, we should find the mean of the data. Mean of the given data. Mean of the given data. Using the method azimuth mean method. Using the method azimuth mean method to find the mean of the data. First, write class interval. Next, frequency. Next one, S. Next one, D. Next one, F. Take there are 5 columns. The first one column is class interval. Next one column is frequency. Next one column is X. Next one D. Next FD. Class interval is given 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19. This is the class interval. Respective frequency is given 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4. This is the respective frequency. Now find the sigma f, summation of f. Add 6 plus 30, 36, 36 plus 40, 76, 76 plus 16, 86, 92, 92 plus 4, 96, 96 plus 4, 100. This value of sigma f is 100. Now find the value of x. How to find x value? Midpoint of the class interval is called fx. See, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2.5. 2.5 is the midpoint of 1 and 4. 4 plus 7, 11. 11 by 2. 5.5 is the midpoint of 4 and 7. 7 and 10, 7 plus 10, 17. 17 by 2. 17 by 2, how much? 8.5. 8.5 is the midpoint of 7 and 10. Next, 23 by 2. 23 by 2 means 11.5. 11.5 is the midpoint of 10 and 13. Like that. Next, 14.5. Next, 17.5 is the value of x. Next, find the value of d. How to find d value? X minus a. First, you should select value of a. Which is the a value? See, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 values. No. You should add these two numbers. 17.5 plus 2.5. Answer is 20. 20 by 2. 20 by 2 answer is 10. The 10 is nearest to. So take this one value or this one value. 8.5 is the a value. Consider 8.5 is a. Otherwise consider 11.5 also. No problem. Now, what is the value of d? X minus a. X minus a means 2.5 minus 8.5. 2.5 minus 8.5 is minus 6. 5.5 minus 8.5 minus 3. 8.5 minus 8.5 0. 11.5 minus 8.5 3. 14.5 minus 8.5 6. 17.5 minus 8.5 9. Now find the value of fd. Frequency into d. 6 6 the minus 36. Plus into minus minus. Next, plus into minus minus. 33 is 90. Next, 40 0 is 0. 0 into anything, answer will be 0. 16 3 is 48. Next, 4 6 is 24. Next, 4 9 is 36. Any doubt regarding this one? Now, find the sum of the value of negative and positive integers. See, minus 90, minus 36, minus 126. The sum of these two numbers is minus 126. So add these two. 10 plus 18, 8, 1 carry, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 108. Which is the biggest number among these two numbers? 126. No, 126 back which sign is there? Minus. I put minus symbol. Minus. Next subtract. 16 minus 8 how much? 8. This will become 1. 1 minus 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. The sigma FD value is minus 80. Any doubt regarding this one, children? Okay, next going to use the formula and find the mean of the data. What is the formula for find the mean? Mean is equal to A plus sigma FD by sigma F. This is the formula using azimuth mean method. Now substitute the value. Value of A is 8.5. Value of sigma FD is minus 18. Value of sigma F is 100. Now simplify. 8.4 as it is. In 100 tables, you should divide 18. What is the answer? Plus into minus minus. This will become 0.18. 0.18. Now subtract 8.5. 8.50. 0.18. This will become 10. 10 minus 8 is 2. This will become 4. 4 minus 1 3. This 8 minus 0 8. The final answer is 8.32. The mean of given data is 8.32. Any doubt regarding this one, children? Next going to find the median and mode of the data. Next going to find the mode of the data. Solution mode of the data. See class interval is given, corresponding frequency is given. Which is the highest frequency? 40 is the highest frequency. The 40 is called F1. Highest frequency, back frequency is called F0. F0 value is 30, F1 value is 40. Highest frequency, next frequency is called F2. Value of F2 is 16. See, right? First given that what is given in the question. F1 value is given 40, F0 value is given 30, F2 value is given 16. Value of L is, which is the highest frequency? 40. Now, the corresponding class interval is called model of the class 7 to 8. The 7 is called lower limit, 10 is called higher limit. The value of L is 7. The size of the class interval 7 to 10 means 3. 10 minus 7, 3. Now write the formula. What is the formula to find the mode? Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2 F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. This is the formula. Now apply the values. What is the value of L? 7 plus. What is the value of F1? 40 minus. What is the value of F0? 30 divided by 2F1. F1 value is 40 minus F0 value is 30. F2 value is 16 into H. H value is 3. Now simplify. Mode of the data is equal to 7 plus. First solve inside the bracket. 10 40 minus 30 value is 10 divided by 240 is 80 minus 30 minus 16 into 3. See, solve 7 plus 10 3 is 30. Multiply, new multiply, 10 3 is 30. 80 minus 30, 50. 50 minus 16. 50 minus 16. This will become 10. 10 minus 6, 4. This will become 4. 4 minus 1, 3. 34. 7 right as it is. In 34 tables to divide 30. In 34 tables to divide 30. 0.34. This will become 300. 34 8 ja 8 4 the 32 2 3 carry 8 3 the 24 27 272 20 34 9 ja 9 4 36 6 3 carry 19 the 27 30 306 is more than so take 34 8 ja 8 how much 276 now subtract this will become 10 10 minus 2 8 this will become 9 9 minus 7 2 this will become 2 2 minus 2 0 now take again 0 280 again 8 ja 34 8 how much 272 now subtract this will become 8 10 minus 2 8 this will become 7 7 minus 7 0 0 now take 0 and 34 tables 8 how many times divided 2 times 34 2s are 68 like that going on 12 like that going on so take point after 2 or 3 digits the answer is 7 plus 0.882 now add 7.882 the mode of the given data is 7.882 any doubt regarding this one children next going to how to find median of the data any doubt regarding this one okay thank you. Next we are going to discuss about how to find median of the data. See, the number of letters class interval is given, the number of surnames frequency is given. How to find median of the data? There are 3 columns. Find the median of data. Write 3 columns. First column is class interval. Next column is frequency. Last column is cumulative frequency. Now, 1 to 4, 4 to 7, class interval is given, right? 7 to 10, 10 to 13, 13 to 16, 16 to 19. This is the class interval. Corresponding frequency is given 6, 30, 40, 16, 4, 4. Now find the cumulative frequency. First frequency rate as it is 6 plus 30, 36, 36 plus 40, 76, 76 plus 16, 92, 92 plus 4, 96, 96 plus 4, 100. Value of n also 100. Any doubt regarding this one? Next, find n by 2. Find the value of n by 2. N by 2 is 100 by 2. 100 by 2 this will become 50. Where 50 will come in cumulative frequency? Check it in between 36 and 76. 36 and 76. Should mark anyone? Mark this. This is the median class. Median class. See now write the formula. What is the formula to find the median? Median is equal to L plus L by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. This is the formula to find the median of the data. What is the value of the Next mode of the given data is 7.882. Last one, the median of the given data is 8.05. Any doubt regarding this one, children? Okay, thank you.